spoken narration ghost-written by the above artist. Mimic their style closely, speak in the first person. The point of a video is to form a deep connection with the audience. Avoid mentioning the name of the ghostwriter. Hey there! If you're an affiliate marketer looking to boost your earnings, then you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you how you can make serious money with Audible affiliate links through the Amazon Associates program. Yes, that's right, Audible. First off, let's get the basics out of the way. Audible is Amazon's audiobook service, offering a massive library of audiobooks, podcasts, and more. And believe me, there's a huge audience out there just waiting to dive into this treasure trove. So how do you, as an affiliate marketer, tap into this gold mine? The Amazon Associates program allows you to earn commissions by promoting Audible products. It's simple, straightforward, and incredibly rewarding. Step 1. Sign up for the Amazon Associates program if you haven't already. It's free, easy, and takes just a few minutes. Once you're in, you'll have access to a range of tools to create your affiliate links. Step 2. Choose the Audible products you want to promote. This could be anything from individual audiobooks to Audible memberships. One tip is to focus on popular, trending audiobooks or niche genres that resonate with your audience. Step 3. Embed those affiliate links in your content. This could be blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, or even email newsletters. Remember, the more engaging and authentic your content is, the more likely your audience will click through and make a purchase. Now, here's the magic part. For every person who signs up for a free Audible trial using your link, you earn a bounty of $5. And that's on top of any commissions for audiobooks they purchase. Imagine just getting 10 people to sign up each month. That's an easy extra $50 in your pocket. But don't stop there. Utilize tools like Amazon's One Link to make sure your links work globally. Share reviews, testimonials, and personal stories to drive engagement. And always track your performance using Amazon's reporting tools to see what's working and what's not. So, to wrap it all up, sign up for Amazon Associates, select your Audible products, embed those links in engaging content, and watch your earnings grow. It's a fantastic way to monetize your content while offering your audience something valuable. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching and happy earning.